Hello and good day everyone, 7th of May today, and you're looking at my new trading opportunity on the silver. So I just issued a bullish alert and entered a bullish position myself, and to be honest I feel quite strongly about this bullish conviction, and I'm going to walk you through the technical picture. So we're going to start from the bottom up, and this is the daily chart you're looking at, right? The daily chart. And this is, you can easily spot the black system here, right? The black symmetric setup. You can see that price is coming off the lower part of the setup, right? After it took all the previous lows. I'm talking about all the previous local lows. And it also reached my my trigger level. My trigger level was right below that lowest low at around 1610, and started to reverse, and it broke a very important level on the way up. The 16.36 right there should have been a strong resistance. Price was actually acknowledging that level at first, but then came the break. And of course, price just based itself above that level and poised upwards. So it does look very promising from the local perspective, and this black system just to begin with. Now let me take you to the bigger picture, right? The bigger picture. We actually have a more impressive trading range coming from the weekly chart. That's the blue system. Now the blue system, take a look at what's going on here. We had the first leg going up, then we had the second leg, which was really nice, touching base with the bottom level, and then straight to the mid-high level, touching base with the 17.92, and then straight again to the lower part. But from that point, right, ever since price came off the lower part and began to go upwards, it actually didn't reach the upper part, but rather went into a downside correction, which was a local correction in relation to the previous upside segment, right? And it actually landed really nicely on that same key level. This is a major key level, 1636. It's actually a quite a unique combination between the mid-low level of the black system and the mid-low level of the blue system, right? They fall exactly one on top of the other. And that's just a formidable support, and you can see how price was just struggling to break through. Now, I want you to focus on the previous week, right? The previous week was really, was really interesting because it went really below that level, right below that 1636 at some point, but it came all the way back, leaving just that spike, which took all the previous local lows, as I showed you in the daily chart. And guess what? It came all the way back, closed positively and above that key level, suggesting we're about to see an upside reversal. So we're having a two setup system which are completely in line, right, with one another. On the black system, we can expect easily an upside move, but from the blue system, we also expect an upside move which is more profound, right, all the way back to the upper part, which is why we're focusing on two major target levels. The first one is, the natural symmetrics level, 17.92. But judging from the fashion that price came from the lower part of the setup, I feel very strongly that it's going to chase the previous high at 1860. All right, so I'm going to try to focus on that 1860 as final destination, but I'm going to be very cautious if price reaches the level of 1792. That's from that point on, I will be very careful, right? So we got two targets, effectively speaking. The bigger one is probably the 1792, but I'm still, like I said, I'm going to try to chase all the way to 1860. So we'll see how it goes. Now let me take you back again to the daily chart. And I want to show you something really interesting. I mean, the fact that price is starting to turn around is also backed up by this break, right? We've mentioned this break, 1636. You know, the interesting part here is this. Take a look at the previous couple of days. They're just hanging on that level from below, right? So it shows you that this level had turned into a support level at this point. Now I'm going to use my trigger level, which was the 16.10, as my stop loss level in this case. All right, so there you go. We got the stop loss level at 16.10, and we got our targets at 17.92 and 18.6. That's about that for this one. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.